clarify part here and move in. Yep. You can move in now. Yep. Same way Daddy should probably be the best.
Oh yes, you need.
So we attached a pipe onto our drone using a bunch of tape and string so we could fly underneath the Mavic Air and push it out from underneath.
To your left. In a bit more. Forward. Okay, up.
You want to come back here and do it?
Oh yes, 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 yes. Go.
Yep.
Pocket.
Okay. No, back. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Not yet.
Forward.
Down a little bit. I think you're actually touching it already just
Yes,
now.
yes, you're touching it. Okay, up.
Alright, so we hit the tree right here. It was pretty scary because I thought the drone would just fall down, but surprisingly, it was able to keep its balance and stay up there without hitting any other branches.
Yes, go.
You mean?
Miss.
It's okay, slowly. Oh yes!
I hit it.
You hit it. It
Where
moved.
is it now?
It moved.
I think it's further in now.
No, don't worry. Just try it.
Yep, it moved.
That means that area is clear. Oh, beep. You went too far. It's actually stuck.
I'm crossing it now.
You come out here. Yeah, you come out here.
Where is it?
Yeah, there. Where your drone? Just above your drone. Just above your drone.
Yes.
Yeah. Huh? It's where your drone is. What are you talking about?
Alright, so I clearly have some really bad vision as the drone's like right there, right in the middle, right above my drone, and I couldn't even see it.
I'm moving it right now. It's moving itself.
Okay, come down it.
Where is it?
No.
I can't see it.
The drone is there. It's not. It's less white now.
I can't see it.
Hey, yeah.
It's right there, yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Strong. It's quite strong, huh? Yeah, there. Right up. Yeah. Back a bit. Okay. Up. Yes. Up.
Yay!
Got it.
Got it.